differentiates Bazaar Kolkata from others, I think it's clearly evident with the fact that we are carrying Kolkata brand in 7 states, and which has got a very warm reception amongst our targeted audience, and the kind of reception which we have seen over years, which continues to grow as we go along. Right. So key drivers of success behind Bazaar Kolkata would be management's approach towards taking any initiative, be it a new technology, be it adopting a new process. They are heavily into day-to-day operations, and their experience of over 20 years since starting the brand. And third, being very important, would be the people. The people who have been with Bazaar Kolkata and people who are driving the key affairs of the business today have, if you see, largely all our merchandisers. There are people into the business development activities as well. They have been through thick and thin with the organizations with all these years, and they have been a significant contributor towards whatever Bazaar Kolkata is today. So one would be clear setting up of processes with a clarity among all the stakeholders who takes decision. So what we rely here today is data driven decision making. It's not an ad hoc decisions. So even if taking a call of spending even a small amount behind a new solution, I think there is a clear thought process in terms of what value which we are trying to bring onto the table for that new solution in the end of the day. There is an opportunity to create a niche value retail. We may call that we are a part of value retail, and there are competitors wherein we still feel that there is a need of creating another layer of niche value retail, which has been a focus for us during last year or so, and we continue to work and drive towards creating that niche value retail market, wherein Bazaar Kolkata should be recognized as one of the prime player in that niche segment. Technology has been a very important contributor towards the growth of wherever Bazaar Kolkata is today, and going forward also we expect a lot from technology. So like I said, data driven decision making, so that data comes from technology for us. Genesys has a significant contribution to wherever we are today. I think, like I mentioned about decision making, so whatever data we need, I think it's at a click of a button with us. Yes, there are odd times wherein we have issues, but Genesys has been with us in ensuring that those data are available for stakeholders to take critical business decisions. Particular business requirement and idea, that's not an idea, that's a business requirement. So there, ideation is something which calls from a new requirement, and something which is a need of the business today may not be an idea, because business would not wait for Genesys to move through that entire ideation process. So I think what we expect from Genesys in times to come would be to have a clear demarcation of what actually is an idea and what is a business requirement. So idea, like I mentioned, there has to be a definition of something new which a business is expecting out of the box. That could be treated as an idea. But if something for which business is dependent, business cannot wait, should be treated a little differently. The business milestone, wherein there's a huge potential to grow from here, and we see technology would be the significant contributor for us to grow in times to come. Over next 5 years, we have various milestones which we have put it on cards. I think WMS being a very important step towards the growth journey. Next would be, like I mentioned, about governance. So from technology side, we also look at technology who can provide us that comfort that things are being done in a desired manner with adequate checks and balances in place, with adequate logs available for audit trails purpose. We want technology to support our business, because tomorrow at the front end, if my retail POS is down, I think that's my bread and butter. So that will be the most uncalled for situation for any retail players these days. So we're looking at something which gives us a comfort at the front end as well, wherein the restoration can also be less challenging without any loss of data. With Genesys, I think my entire books of accounts is integrated, be it end to end, be it my inventory, be it my retail POS, or be it my procurement, be it my finance and accounts. So even today my P&L and my balance sheet today I get from Genesis, and I continue to expect further improvement there. Genesis, we have grown with Genesis over years, and we haven't looked beyond Genesis, to be honest. And Genesis has a significant contribution to wherever we are today, I